Now this here in front of me are 2 packs of Paldean Fates, a very expensive Pokemon Scarlet and Violet set. But only one of these packs is real. Do you know which one is real and which one is fake? If you guess this one is fake, you will be right. Immediately you can see the triangle cut. Real packs have the crimp seal here and here. This is a telltale sign it's fake. Also, the print quality is very washed out and faded. And let's look at the back. This is the fake back, this is the real back. You can immediately tell this pack is fake. There's no point checking for errors because they are talking about Gigantamax cards in Scarlet and Violet. So anyone with Scarlet and Violet knowledge will know this is a fake pack. They also say here this set came out in 2016 when we all know Paldean Fates came out in 2024. So just for fun, fake packs generally weigh a lot less than real packs. This is just for references. I'm interested to know what the cards inside would be. Maybe some fake sun and moon. Maybe a mixture, I don't know. Generally these packs, they do not have code cards or energy cards. And we can see the hit card here. This is not for, oh my god, look at the purple in this. This is a horrible color. This literally looks purple. So let's see the cards inside. So these I believe are from Temporal Forces. So you can see here it's a mixture of different sets. So this here is just a sticker on cardstock. I'll show you shortly. But once again, let's compare the purple. This is a real card and just look at the difference in color here. Even this one here, look how horrible the centering is. Even the fonts in these cards are not accurate. I'm sure I can spot a lot of spelling errors if I go through each card. And you can see here there'll be no graphite layer in between the card to prevent light from passing through. You can see light just goes straight through this card. Compared to the real card here, no light. And that's because of the graphite layer in between the card. So you see this gray layer there? That's what's preventing the light from passing through. And that's only present in real English cards. Now this fake card here is actually from Temporal Forces, not Paldean Fates. And it's just a sticker on cardstock. So I'm going to slowly peel this back and show you. It's just a glossy sticker. That's all. So please hit that like button if you learned something new and subscribe to the channel. And be careful where you buy Pokemon cards.
I don't know, just on purpose to patronize me, making fun of me. I don't know what his deal was. He called Bulbasaur
That's Onion Turtle.
Geodude,
Punchy Rock.
Meowth,
That cat with them long ass arms.
Ekans.
Purple shit.
He called Diglett
That's floor shit right there.
and Doug Trio.
That's 3 floor shits.
He knew Pikachu, but everybody knows Pikachu.
Oh yeah, that's Pikachu right there.
He called Weepin' Bell,
Oh, that's almost a pair.
Weedle,
Party Wiener.
Beedrill.
Everybody know that's Big Dick B.
Bees don't even have dicks. It's a stick.